It's activity here. Let it be. Actuals. Period wars. Let's say Jan. Time period. Its current period. And name it JMSUSA. Same. U is about that. So learn this report. Okay. So you got only 5 items here. Nothing to worry, but we still see some details. You see, let's account company bring balance every tomorrow. Create a monitor and a balance. Now let's play around with school, so we can click on this name again. We don't see total column here. It's not showing total here, so we'll bring the total loss by doing something at the row level. We'll color code some columns also. Suppose you always want to see ending balance. I have a balance in green color. What you want to do? And in this case in green. But does it apply to what has it comes? Does in case like we want to play around? So we'll say I had it. You have to go to this. You have 2 secret options here. Like what is one style? How do you understand the column? Yes. So you have work in styles and custom sets. So let's go to custom styles here. You can create your own formatting style. It's like bold, you fold, you feel gay, all this. You double underline. You know border bold, just like your Excel things, border layer, border bold text. Okay, current city, fold decimal to places. You can print up decimals also like millions, subtotal, bold thousands. A lot of things are here. Whole number, local lines, whole number triple inch and indent and all those things. So let's say bold, if I want to just bold out the numbers. I'll just say bold. Okay, so we'll say, bold text or bold, that's defined. Good bold fill gray. Let's put something in options. This is an interesting one. Let's see all here. High current norm. Create. Now you see this option, create an analytical indicator for report. I'll show you the best usage of this functionality. What it does. Let me show you. Visualization type. So I want to see a flag. I want to see a flag. Okay, I'll put the condition also why I will see the flag. Red flag. Okay, now let me put the condition on off which circumstance it has to show me a red flag in the ending balance. And default visualization is no visualization, but we can change it. We can have a blue flag, green flag, red flag, purple flag. We'll see red flag. I want to see a red flag. Default text. Please reach out to Teresa. If there is a red flag. Okay, column reference. We would say ending balance, on which it should work. Condition. Laser amount is less than, let's say, it's less than 25,000. It's less than 25,000. Show me a red flag. Again, as I said, you can play around with this as much as you want. It's a never-ending thing. I'll text the same thing we'll put here also. Both same, don't leave and leave okay. Now you want to see a total balance also. So let's do that too. And people who love data and they want to play around like star ratings and all those things. You can do it. Now we'll just bring row 1. A combined total of. So we'll see dynamic data combined data of what? Logger account. The rows are generated by during the controlling field present with the subgroup by which value. I want to see it. Let's see. Stay above that, okay? Okay, we'll go with the same row chair. It's USA. It saves a lot of time. We need to put the values again and again. Let's see, don't we? I think there should be a value which is below 25,000, for sure. Yeah, everything is in red here. You see, and the moment you bring your cursor here, push over the context also. Please reach out to the rest of this red flag. See how beautiful it looks like it's got in gray color here. Correct. So that's how you can play around, and let me see why this ending comes, not sure. Loving this functionality. I do love it. Let me prepare reports. That okay. Again, do really blah, blah. Oh right. Alright, it has done the crane tro formatting to matcha on this. Now that we can learn on various weight. Come on. Why is this so slow?